A tornado warning for South Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, East Central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until noon. At 11:32 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located over Westchester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Westchester, Westtown, Gray Dyville, Cheney, Brunel, Powley, Newtown Square, Bryn Mawr, Trout Lake, Radnor Township, King of Prussia, Lima, West Goshen, Malvern, Devon Bruin, Upper Providence Township, Ardmore, and Chesterbrook. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 328 and 329. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 7 and 15. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until noon for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery.